Oh, let's see what a
Let's see if
ST internal exhaust looks like.
I upgraded my old one, so I've seen some videos of people pulling out like hair or some nasty crap out of it, but we'll see.
We'll see what happens.
Who knows? What?
You need safety glasses too.
I don't wear safety glasses.
This motherfucker was gonna chop his hand off.
Hey, I don't got the death one on there right now. Okay. The death one's only emergency use.
The death one.
Yeah.
Starts fucking going crazy.
No, it's just that big ass blade.
Oh, the death blade.
Yeah, the death blade.
We don't need it that big. I don't think this steel's that thick.
No, I don't. I think it would go like pretty damn smoothly. All right, let's go a little fucking.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Was that right?
Shit, dude, there is just fucking hair. God damn, what the fuck?
I guess that's how you muffle sound these days.
I guess.
That shit's gonna like explode up on you.
You just put the other side. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Take first.
Hey, I thought you had the glasses. That bleed is gone. What the hell?
That's fiberglass.
Is fiberglass?
I think so.
That does not feel like fiberglass.
Well, some fucking... Someone got ripped off from their hair and then...
Dude, that looks like fucking hair. Dude, does it not? This does not feel like fiberglass.
Kind of does. Damn, pretty.
That's a long strand of hair. Holy crap.
Right?
Holy moly,
I'm
dude.
sorry, cancer patients. Your donated hair that everybody's donating is getting put into mufflers.
That motherfucker's hot.
Like,
Dude, look at that. Holy shit.
I'm gonna have to wash up after this bitch.
That's insane.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, there's the blonde hair.
Wow, dude. Holy crap.
That's
Wow.
fucking insane.
That's all I can say is holy crap.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we weld that all back up and put it on a car. It'd probably sound 10 times better now.
Oh, I bet you it would. Now you know why my car didn't make any sound.
Right?
What do you think that is, about 5 pounds of hair? Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, my hands are black now.
Same.
Wow. Well, I guess it's true.
Yeah.
Wasn't a host on internet.
Yeah, no, there you guys go.
Welcome to modern society.
FT fucking
Jesus.
OEM exhaust.
Hell yeah.
There's all your power loss, dude.
No kidding.
Dude, we gained what, 10 horsepower now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it
just weld it back together and throw it on a car.
Dude,
Wow. Yeah, that's all I can really say. I'm just as surprised. I didn't think that would actually be like that. That's a lot.